Hello, everybody.
That was loud.
Sorry.
Buster's with us.
Da-dum, da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Cheese.
Hi, Buster. Buster's my favorite. Bye, Buster. Okay, so it is Thursday, which means
Product review. Cheese of the week.
cheese of the week. Thank you.
So we review cheese every Thursday, and it's been a while. We got some different cheese definitely this time because it has Frankenstein on the cover.
So this is this had a label on it, and I can't remember why I got this or where I got this. In fact, I remember nothing about it. It says it's specialty cheese, and on the front it said
Frankfully Frightening.
Frankfully Frightening Gouda Cheese. Sorry, say it in American.
Gouda.
Gouda cheese.
Gouda.
And it's green, and I like things that are green. And last week we did sage cheese, which was greenish, which was absolutely delicious. So we thought we'd do the Frankfully Frightening Gouda cheese. It's got 4 ingredients: pasteurized organic cow's milk, salt, spirulina concentrate, safflower concentrate, organic basil, organic garlic, microbial rennet, and starter cultures. And it's imported by Best Cheese USA, which means it's from somewhere else. Apparently.
Basil is an herb. Basil is a guy that curates some weird, strange occult library and wears a 3-piece suit, weird glasses, and has kind of a...
No. Basil's a cartoon fox.
Oh, okay. I don't know that cartoon fox, but generally we associate it with that weird kind of 3-piece suit, kind of slightly creepy.
So this is very green.
It is very
cheese,
green.
Spirulina cheese. Maybe that's why they put Frankfully Frightening, because like spirulina cheese, I can't think that would go well. Anyway, we're going to try it. Going to try some.
I do have spirulina on occasion, and it does taste like lawn clippings.
I forgot where I was, and I opened the cheese before this, so I'm sorry. I have now denied you 2 weeks in a row from seeing me battle with the cheese packet.
And I have gotten away with not being stabbed with her battling the cheese packet and accidentally stabbing me for 2 weeks in a row. That's awesome. Well, that's
basil-y.
It is.
Very creamy.
It is, but it's also gritty.
Yeah. It's like the aged cheddar, which has the crystals in it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's got crystals of creamy basilness.
It does taste basil-y with a hint of mowed lawn.
I really like it.
Do you?
It's so creamy. I mean, it's almost like, you almost feel like you must have spread it.
It is very creamy.
Frankfully Frightening Gouda Cheese. I really like that. I hope I can remember one day what it was and where I got it.
I think I'm a little sensitive to spirulina. I do drink it, but it always tastes like, it catches me like lawn clippings all the time, and I can catch I do taste the basil, but I do have a bit of that spirulina in the back taste of it.
I really like that.
It's tasty.
Would you like some more?
Sure.
On my magical pokey knife
Yeah.
that we bought in Grafton.
That I have to be very careful of.
Grafton was our favourite village, wasn't it?
It was a really cool village.
Grafton was really cool.
It had some very pretty bridge with some really cool houses over the side, very old places, and they had a little kind of a general store with all kinds of cool stuff in there that
And
you
lots
wouldn't
of
normally
cheese.
find. Lots of cheeses.
And a knife that says cheese.
And because it was Vermont, which is like Canada Junior, it's like Canada Junior, and they love their maple there, so there was tons of maple syrup stuff.
We didn't buy any of that though.
No.
Okay, I
But it
really like
smells
this
good.
a lot. Even though I'm sorry about the label, they put the sticker over it, but
Yeah, you know, label posting people, you're really messing up our cheese of the week.
yeah. Can you avoid all the important
Like,
information?
There's a piece right back here.
Yes, or like there. You could have put it there.
Yeah.
Or somewhere other than. Anyway, thank you. Okay.
That was our PSA to the labeling people.
Spirulina and basil Gouda. Yum.
It was tasty.
All right.
All right.
See you next week.
See ya.